What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. If it is your first time touching down on this channel, we talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Let me tell you guys, this year has absolutely flown by. I can't believe that we are in the last days of December. But that being said, I knew I had to come to you guys with my last pickup of 2019. And I can't believe I'm saying that. We saw a lot of dope kicks this year. We also saw a lot of trash this year. But this is a good one. Like, I'm really happy with this pickup. I'm glad that I'm ending 2019 on a sneaker bang. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Don't want to make you guys wait. So here it is. As you can see, it is a brown box, something new to the channel. So bam, it is a Yeezy. This would be my first time reviewing, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, a Yeezy on this channel. But this shoe, you're gonna see it. I had to do it. I had to pull the trigger because this is something new and something different. There are very few Yeezys that I like and none that I have pulled the trigger on up to this one right here. So let's get a look at these. I'm pretty sure a lot of you can guess what it is, and if you do follow me on Instagram, then you already know. I will plug myself down there somewhere. But these are the Yeezy 500 High Slate. These look amazing. Like, when I first saw the pictures of this, I was like, I don't know about the neoprene bubbles. It kind of looks weird. It is weird, and it does have like these weird bubbles and just weird places, and the top down view, it's a hit or a miss with a lot of people, and I can understand that. But the shoe is dope, and the more and more I saw pictures, the more and more I saw fit pics, because a lot of people got these shoes early. I knew that I had to get them, and surprisingly enough, these are actually still sitting on the Yeezy website as I'm filming this. So if you haven't pulled the trigger already, go ahead and do so, because these are majorly slept on. All of that being said, you guys, let's get into the shoe. So starting from the bottom, you do have a creamish or off-white sole going up into a midsole or a mud guard, if you will. That's like an obsidian blue color. And then upper from that, right here on these lighter parts, this ashy area is like an ink blue or slate as they would call it. The neoprene is also a blue, and I like that monotone feel to this shoe. A lot of people were questioning whether or not it was onyx black, a ashy black, or a blue. Let me tell you, it is definitely a blue. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. One of the things I think that really pulled me into this shoe is that it is a high top. Now, most of the Yeezy line consists of low tops. There's the 350, the 380. 350s I'm really not a fan of. The 380s kind of growing on me. And then you have the 700s. I'm not a fan of those. The 700 V2, however, did pique my interest. There is one colorway of the 700 V2 that I really want, and I will be adding that to the collection soon. However, this really stood out to me because it is a high top. And this shoe, to be honest, does remind me a lot of the Air Jordan 11. It's just the shape of it, I think, that really gets me. It is the shape of the shoe that gives me that Air Jordan 11 vibe, and we know Kanye likes to be in his own lane, doing his own thing, not compared to anybody else. So I'm sure this shoe wasn't meant to look like an Air Jordan 11, but it does have some similarities, especially in shape, and I think that's what made the transition into buying this shoe and pulling the trigger on it a little bit easier, because I know that I could fit it into outfits that I would normally wear with my Air Jordan 11s. Another thing I like about this shoe is the colors, which I've already said, but I also like the materials. So it is a monochrome shoe, it's all blue, but the materials is where you really get that variation in the colors from. So here you have a rubber, and that's the darkest of the blues. Then up here is the suede. I would say it's like a medium hair suede. It's not long, but it's definitely not short either. Like, you can kind of rub it back and forth and see the color change there. Then you have the neoprene bubbles, very soft. The shoe is very comfortable. I did try it on already. The materials just work really, really well together, and that is another reason why I really like this shoe. In terms of comfort, I tried it on and they were comfortable initially. I have yet to like walk around in them or do anything in them, so I don't know about long-term wear, but they do have Adiprene in them. You should be able to see the Adiprene branding on that side. And that is my opinion on the Yeezy 500 High. Overall, really great shoe. Make sure that you keep an eye out for my top 5 pickups of 2019. That video will be coming soon. Maybe this will make an appearance, maybe not. You'll have to watch the video and find out. But now we are going to roll into that good old on-foot footage so that you guys can get a better look at these things. And of course, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.